High Oleic soybean oil has benefits in a number of different areas. One of the main areas that we looked at was in frying stability, where we've shown that it is more stable in frying, sometimes up to 2 times the standard oil, but other benefits can be that it has a clean taste profile. Because it's high oleic, it means that it's high in unsaturated fatty acids, which have been shown to be of benefit nutritionally. Unsaturated oils have benefits for heart health. Soybeans are a sustainable solution, and within Minnesota we grow a lot of soybeans, so it can be a local solution as well.
A product designed to bring value to the grower, to the processor, and to the end user, as agriculture has always done, but in a new and innovative way.
And we are so pleased to have our partners here with us, the United Soybean Board, the Minnesota Soy Research and Promotion Council. These folks, these farmers who use their checkoff dollars to help advance innovations like this is just critical, because at the end of the day, we need to sell soybeans. I appreciate the fact that
I've been testing recipes with the high oleic oil, and I was pleasantly surprised. The neutral flavor, the smoke point was high, that it didn't create a lot of smell or steam in the kitchen. I also used the shortening version of the high oleic soybean oil for the scones that we made. I was really pleasantly surprised. Usually with butter and scones, you want it nice and cold, and it really wasn't a factor. I could put it in at room temp, and the scones were delicious. And I also used it in a glaze for the top of the scone. I used the oil to make focaccia, which typically has a lot of olive oil in it. It didn't have the flavor, but it also helped bring out the rosemary that was on top of the focaccia. I think the neutralness of that is a benefit if you don't want any extra flavor, and then you get the health benefits too.
I'm happy about the oil because I see that normally the other oil, some of the oil that we used in the past, when we fry the Acre, when you cut it in half, you can still see some oil inside. But so far, this oil is really almost like nothing oil. There's no oil inside the Acre. So it's less oil, and I feel like it's better. And then the texture is a lot better than the regular oil as well.